Have you ever updated your website logo and wondered how to make that change show up in your HubSpot theme? Keeping your header logo consistent with your brand is essential. It's often the first thing visitors see when they land on your site. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through how to edit and change the header menu logo in a HubSpot theme, step by step. Let's dive in. Start by heading over to hubspot.com. Once you're there, look at the top right corner of the homepage and click the Login button. Enter your HubSpot login credentials, your email address and password, and sign in securely. Logging in gives you full access to your website and all its customization options. After you've logged in, you'll be taken to your HubSpot dashboard, your main control center for everything related to your site and content. From here, navigate to the Which Content section. This is where you can access your website pages, blog posts, and other hosted content. In the drop-down menu, select Website Pages. You'll now see a list of all the pages on your website. Take a moment to find the page where you want to change the header logo. Hover over the page name and you'll notice options appear beside it. Click on the one that lets you open or highlight the page. This ensures that you're editing the correct page and helps you focus on the right section for modification. Next, it's time to open the Watch Global Content Editor. This editor is where you make site-wide changes, like updating your header or footer that apply across multiple pages. Look for the option labeled Open in Global Content Editor and click it. Once the editor loads, you'll see your page layout and the shared elements it uses. Focus on the header section and locate the logo area. Click directly on the logo element. A panel will appear giving you the choice to either upload a new logo or modify the existing one. If you're uploading a new logo, make sure the file meets HubSpot's recommended size and format. Using the right dimensions ensures your logo displays cleanly without being stretched or pixelated. Common file types like PNG or SVG are usually the best choices for maintaining high image quality. After uploading or adjusting your logo, take a moment to preview your changes. This step lets you see how the new logo looks in your header before you publish it live. Check that the logo fits well within your menu, aligns properly with other elements, and looks great on both desktop and mobile views. Once you're happy with how it looks, click Save or Publish Changes to apply the update. HubSpot will automatically push your new logo across all the pages that use the same global header, keeping your branding consistent throughout your site. And that's it. You've successfully edited and changed your header menu logo in your HubSpot theme. Refreshing your logo is a simple but powerful way to reinforce your brand identity. A polished, consistent header helps your site look professional and trustworthy, two key factors in creating a strong first impression for visitors. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like this video and subscribe for more easy-to-follow HubSpot guides. Thanks for watching and happy customizing.